Hi, my name's Ava, and today I really enjoyed the workshop because I learned how to manage my money and budget. I think this will really help me in the future for university as I will learn to manage my money properly. Thank you to KFI Global for delivering this program.
Hello, my name is Layla and I found today's workshop useful because I got an introduction on the intricacies of the ways you could use debit and credit cards, which I believe will be useful when I step further into the world of finance as I age. I would like to thank KFI Global for providing this workshop so we can experience this today.
Hi, I'm Bellar, and today I'm with KFI Global, and I've learned a lot about financial management. I feel like this will help me a lot in the future because I've known less about financial management, but now that I've learned how to manage, I feel like in the future I can be more responsible about my budgets and just my future needs. And I want to thank Dubai Islamic Banks for sponsoring this program.
Hi, my name is Bonga, and today I learned a lot from the program that was sponsored by Dubai Islamic Bank. I got to learn about budgeting, better work my finances, and I was exposed to new key terms that I didn't know about before. So thank you to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this program.